Hey guys, welcome to the first Kansas City Vlogmas video. We are in Kansas City, obviously, visiting family for Christmas, visiting our nieces and nephews, Andrew's sister and brother-in-law, and we are actually spending, well, some of the day Christmas shopping. I don't know how much I can film today, so I'm gonna try to get as much like snippets of our time here. Usually we send presents via mail, but this year we actually get to go pick them, wrap them, and we're gonna do a little Christmas celebration before we leave. So first on the agenda is to go to my absolute favorite tea shop, which is crazy because if you know me, coffee is like my obsession. We are going to Tea Loft, and there is this white coconut cream tea. It is heaven in a cup. I cannot track this down. Like, there's no other place. I've gone to so many places, tried their coconut cream teas, and it tastes nothing like it. So we are heading there first, and then where else are we gonna go? Just to Target, or what are you thinking?
Yeah.
That's it?
I think so.
Okay, maybe just a Target, which I wouldn't be mad at because I could spend so much time there. Anyways, let's head over there. Change of plans. We are getting the coffee, all the coffee first, and then we will, then we're going to get tea after, because I actually think the headache that I have is a caffeine headache, so I need to eat. But look at all this stuff, the dollar section, home sweet home. We got some toys. Now I gotta get some clothes. And I'm gonna take a look around for me. Okay, now I'm entering the danger zone. All of the house stuff. Oh, I thought someone was just watching me. The magnolia stuff. Okay, I gotta go over there. Well, just gotta do it already. I love it. It's so nice.
Maybe tonight before robotics I'll take
Okay, we did some damage there. We have 3 out of 6 kids done. We're actually gonna take a little break and go visit some friends at their new house, which is this spot here. And then we will pick up where we left off. Do you not remember which car? Yeah, you're right. Ooh. Listen. There's so much cute stuff there. It's like, honestly, really awful. Like, I'm probably gonna go back another day and grab a few things for my sisters, because they both have now, well, Natalie doesn't have a place yet, but her boyfriend does, and she's basically decorating. And then Amy Lee's got a place, and yeah, there's really cute stuff. But I still can't wait for my tea. That's what I'm looking forward to the most. Tea Loft is my favorite place to go. Hi. I ordered a white coconut cream tea and a extreme sea juice. help me combat any start of a cold. I'm gonna see if they'll let me buy some tea to take home. Guys, the people in there were so nice. They gave me like a satchel filled with loose tea because I told them I was from Toronto and that every time I come to Kansas City, I come to Tea Loft to get their coconut cream tea. And then I also got this juice. I'm feeling a lot better, like I feel less under the weather. So I think if I can just keep hydrated, get some emergency, like maybe some vitamin C too, and drink some juice, I think I will combat getting sick. We're gonna go to barbecue for lunch. We're gonna go to Oklahoma Joe's. One thing that I do feel like I remember living here in Kansas City, there's all these fresh juice places or just everywhere offers, I feel like, fresh juice. And I don't really incorporate that much into my life in Toronto unless I make it myself. Now I know like downtown in the city they'll have more places, but in general I don't usually have it. So good reminder that I love fresh juice. This Kansas City winter is more like Canadian early fall.
We're really close to work.
So cute. Love these little areas. And oops, we are, if I can get out of the car, we are at our next stop, Oklahoma Joe's. This is the best BBQ. It's like fast food barbecue, but it is so delicious. What did I stay? And then over here is Town Center. I love Town Center. This is our old stopping grounds. Oh wow. I think that one's yours, that one's mine. Mac and cheese we're sharing. Yummy. So good. The funniest thing just happened. We were at this store, we were buying some Christmas gifts, and I don't know why, but the little like pay keypad thing suggests where you work or whatever, and when Andrew put in his information, it suggested that he worked at a place called Magic Nails. Magic Nails. Oh, that was really funny. I wish you worked at Magic Nails. And I'd have, literally, I'd always have magical nails. Okay, what's next? Where are we going?
Oh.
Your sister texted. Did you see that?
No.
Asking when we would be home. Baby, head home. We'll see. It is many hours later, and I didn't really film all that much today, so I thought I would just show you some of the stuff we got from Target. And we also went to a place called Micro Center to buy some presents. So for my niece, we got this Poopsie rainbow slime kit, and it's like this bag. Gotta wrap that. Got some Pokemon cards for my nephew. And then for my other niece, we got this Our Generation pet grooming set from Target. I saw from Target, and that is with this little puppy. We have one more nephew to buy for. He's 3. He's so cute. And we'll get his stuff sometime this week as well. Then for the older ones, they're in the next room. He got one of them. It was on his list. It's 3D printing filament. It looks like that. We got it in 3 different colors. Black, white, and green, all on his list. And then the other one wanted these specific ones. We were there looking at all of them, but he had very specific ones on his list, so we got him what he wanted. These Cloud Alpha gaming headsets. We still have a few more things to add to some of these gifts, but that is what we grabbed today. And then I also grabbed this really cute wrapping paper. I think it's really cute. So I will wrap the presents probably tomorrow, but I couldn't go to Target without buying a few things for myself. I picked up some tape for wrapping. I also thought I would try this. This is by Hero. This is the Mighty Patch Duo. There are 6 for night and 6 for day. I think that was cool. Then I picked up the Native deodorant. I've used this before. I've actually been taking a break from like a real natural deodorant. I've just been using this Nivea natural. That's like got nothing, no aluminum in it, but it's not like considered natural. That, but the coconut vanilla is my favorite scent. That's that. I needed some razors. These were like $4.99. Got 2 different lashes. I've got these Ardell Studio Effect Demi Wispies and the Naked lashes. I've never seen these before, so thought I would try them. They're subtle volume and light. And then I didn't bring any shampoo, so I just grabbed the Signature The One shampoo and conditioner. I should just go and buy the full size. I don't know why I didn't. And then I also forgot face wash, so I just picked up this Neutrogena Gentle Scrub because I felt like it would be the closest thing to what I'm using. Yeah, so I got that. So that's all that I picked up from Target today. Today was really, really lovely. Spent it with the family, and it was just nice. The kids and I, we watched movies, and I don't know, it was relaxing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video.